See, yesterday package introduction I given. What is package? Collection of sub package, classes, interfaces. So classes, interfaces, we can group together, we can create as a package. Okay. In yesterday diagram, I given pack 1 package, pack 1 package, pack 2 package, test package, 4 packages. One is sub package, pack 1. Okay. In each package, one class I given. In each package, one class. Now, that program not completed. See. Just you observe. In C drive, SRC folder. In SRC folder, we written 4 Java programs. See, A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, main.java. These all Java files. Okay. A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, main.java. I given diagram in SRC folder 4 Java files. A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, main.java. That is okay. After that, classes folder. Now, in a classes folder, 2 packages. Pack 1 package, pack 2 package. Okay. Now, in a pack 1 package, one A dot class as well as pack 1 sub package. A dot class and pack 1 sub package. In a pack 1 B class. Okay. Next, pack 2 C class. Whatever I given diagram like that generated and everything. Now, next test. That is not generated. Still we didn't compile. That is we got error. No. See. Now, CD SRC. Change directory SRC. Here. You have seen start notepad main.java. This program you have seen yesterday. Now, start notepad main.java. Now you observe. Now, if I compile this program, test package generated, nothing but test folder generated, main.class generated. Okay. If I compile this program, test folder created as well as main.class generated. Here, pack 1 package for A class purpose, pack 1 package for B class purpose, pack 2 package C class purpose. But in this star, only classes and interfaces included. Sub package not included. If sub package also included, then this line is not required. Okay. Sub package not included. Again, what is the meaning of this line is all classes and all interfaces of pack 1 package imported. What is the meaning of this line is all classes and all interfaces of pack 1 sub package imported. All class and all interface of pack 2 package imported. A dot class in pack 1, B dot class in pack 1, pack 1 in pack 1, C dot class in pack 2. After that, A object I created, add method I called, B object I created, cube method I called, C object I created, max method I called. Okay. Now, file save. Now, here main program I saved. Say C drive, SRC folder, we have all .java files. A.java, B.java, C.java, main.java. Now, here, A, pack 1, A class. B, pack 1 B class. C, pack2 C class. These all automatically generated when I compiled. That's what all are in classes folder. See, these two folders generated by Java compiler. Pack1 A dot class, pack11 B dot class, pack2 C dot class. These all already generated. Now main dot class till not generated. Main dot class. Now this program, how to compile? See, previous programs we compiled like this. Previous program we compiled like this. Previous program we compiled like this. Okay. Now A dot Java compiled, A dot class generated, pack1 folder generated in classes folder. Okay. Later you have seen B dot Java. B dot Java compiled, B dot class generated, pack11 classes, pack11 package folder generated in pack1 folder, that is in classes folder. Like this you have seen. But now Java C -D C:/, because now not in classes folder where we record C drive. Now main.java. If I compile, we are getting 9 errors. Okay. What system saying? Pack1 does not exist. Pack11 does not exist. Pack2 does not exist. A class does not exist. A constructor does not exist. Like that, total 9 showing. Now reason here, these all available in classes folder. But where we are compiling? SRC. Then Java compiler, where it will search? In SRC. That is the reason we are getting error. What we have to do? We have to show the path where these all in classes folder. That's what you have to write like this. Set class path. A class, B class, C class. That path. Percentile class path. Percentile in double quotes, dot semicolon, C drive classes. You have to write. Then if we compile now, it will compile properly. If you write like this, what will be happen? What we are saying to compiler, all classes are available in classes folder. Then Java compiler, while compiling, it is search in classes folder. So it is a command to set the class path. It is append mode. Already in our system, maybe other class path settings will be there. For those class path setting, this class path appended. Okay. If you write like this, what will happen? You are saying to compiler, classes are available in this classes folder. You are showing the path, classes path. That's what class path. Now write this one, write this one. Just switch on this slide switch on. This one, not this one. That one. It is a command and it is used to set the class path. It is append mode. It is called as an append mode. I'll explain. Just write this one. It is a command and it is used to set the class path. Starting session, you studied path. Path I didn't explain. Okay, I'll explain. Set class path. This means path is different, class path is different. Path for software, class path for classes. Now, actually, in our program, in main program, A class, B class, C class, 3 classes required. But 3 classes are present in classes folder. If you write like this, it will search in classes folder. If you don't write this one, it will search in SRC folder. So we are saying to compiler, these classes are available in classes folder. That is called path. If you write like this, append mode, this class path appended to existed class path. Suppose in our system, maybe some other class path settings will be there. For those class path setting, it appended. If you don't write this one, it will override. Then this program works. Other programs may not work. That is the reason you have to prefer this one. It is called append mode. It is called as an append mode. Is it over? Set class path equal to class. If you write like this, it will search in this location. Say, without writing this line, what compiler will do? It will search in SRC folder. But in SRC folder, A dot class, B dot class, C dot class not there. Where it is? Classes folder. But how to inform to compiler? With class path. With class path, we inform it to compiler, classes are available in classes folder. Then it will compile. It will take from there, it will compile. After that, you observe, when I compile main.java, what is generated by Java compiler? You see the main.java program. What is generated by Java compiler? When I compile the program, what is generated by Java compiler? Test folder generated as well as main.class generated. Test folder main.class. But where it is generated? C drive. Not in classes. See, I'll open C drive. Here, test. See, just now generated. Time also you can see. Okay, just now generated. If you click, see main.class. Now we have to run this program. But this program in which package? Test package. Where is test package? C drive. We have to come back to C drive. Then only we can run. CD/, it comes to root. Here, Java test.main. If the class is in package name dot class name you have to run. See, executed. Write this one also. CD/Java test.main. Java test.main. If the class is under package, then class name dot package name dot class name you have to write. Is it over? Now test is a package, package folder. It should not enter. Now in this program, how many packages we created? Main package, not sub package, only main package. 3 packages. What are those? Pack 1, pack 2, test. Pack 1, pack 2, test. 3 packages we created. How many sub packages we created? 1. That is pack 1. Where it is? Pack 1 package. In each package, how many class we written? 1 class. A class, B class, C class, main class. In each class, 1 method we written. Now, if you want to access, suppose this is my class, demo class. Suppose it is demo class. Now, public, static, void, main, string, aux. It is common for every program. Now I want to call add method. I want to call add method. Add method in which class? Which class? A class. A class in which package? Then how to import? Import pack 1 dot star. Otherwise, A. Like this also. 1 class also you can import. Either A you can write or star you can write. Like this also valid. Now you have to create object. A OB equal to new A. OB dot add. That's it. But where is add method logic? In A class. Where is A class? In pack 1 package. That is called here. Suppose I want to calculate the cube of given number. Which package required? Pack 1. Where it is pack 1? 1 package. Next, how to call? B object you have to create. B OB equal to new B. OB dot cube. Okay. Now, if you want to find the maximum of 2 numbers, import pack 2 dot star. Now, C OB equal to new C. OB dot max 2 numbers. Now we created 3 packages, 1 main package, 3 main packages, 1 sub package, and each package 1 class, each class 1 method. But this type of packages, this type of classes already Sun Microsystem developed many. Okay, those packages you can access. How? You observe. If you open Google, just if you type Java API documentation, 19 version, latest version, it is first link only comes Java API documentation. In this documentation, first Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Development Kit version 19 specification divided into many modules. Package again grouped together as a module. First module, java.base. Now, here so many modules are there. Java library divided into these many modules. These many modules divided. In first module, if you click, it shows the list of packages. See, packages. Java.io, java.lang, java.lang.annotation, like this, many are there. See how many packages are there? So many are there in one module. And in this, at present, you know, only one package, that is java.lang. If you click in this package, classes and interfaces, it shows all classes and interfaces. At present, you know, string class, system class. Every day we are writing. See how many classes are there? It's a one package. Alphabetical order is there. System string. Say string. If we click here, this string class, fields, nothing but variables, constructors. See, in a one class, how many constructor they written? Methods, all methods. How many methods are there? See, here, still scroll bar here only observe. Okay, one class. This type of classes, almost core Java, 5,000 to 10,000 classes are there. Okay, here already Java library prepared. Every day they are updating library. Now, if I give package name, class name, method name, can you write program or not? Suppose I want to add two numbers. Okay, now no need to write, that is also is there. See, in java.lang package, on class name integer is there. Alphabetical order. Integer. In integer class, if you want to add method name, sum is there. See, sum. See the method. Is this method is accessible? Is this method is accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Class method. How do you know? Static. What is the return type? Int. How many parameter? 2 parameter. This method in which class? Integer class. Integer class. Integer class in which package? Java.lang. Is it required to import? No. It is default package. Starting session I given. Java.lang is default. Okay. This method you can access directly. What you have to do? First, what is the method name? What is the method name? Sum. Sum method. Sum method, it is accessible because public. Sum method, class method because static. And return type int. Parameters 2. Now, sum method, how many ways to access? How many ways? 4 ways. What are those? Directly, class name, object, object reference. How many ways not recommended? 2 ways. What are those? When we can use directly? Same class. When we have to use class name? Another class. This method in which class? Integer class. Integer class. Class name is integer. Class name is integer. Okay. Now, can we access directly in demo class? No. How to access? Class name. What is the class name? Integer. Integer. Class name is integer. Method name sum. What is the return type? Int. What you have to write? Int x equal to integer dot sum. 2 numbers you can pass. Then system dot out dot println x. See, addition of 2 numbers, no need to write the logic. A plus B, no need to write. We have a library. Okay. Like this only, you want to find the maximum of 2 numbers. For that one also we have library. See, max method is there. In alphabetical order, max. See, max. Is it instance method or class method? Then again how to call? Int x equal to integer dot max. 2 numbers you can pass. Like this, hundreds of packages are there, thousands of classes are there, lakhs of methods are there. Java developers already prepared. Okay. But now you've seen 3 packages we created, 1 sub package we created, 4 classes we written, each class 1 method we written. Those all you can remember. But these all can you remember? No one can remember. Okay. Hundreds of packages are there, thousands of classes are there, lakhs of methods are there. Okay. After getting a job, if a team leader will give one task, for that task, which method required, you have to search. You have to search in the documentation. Even if you don't know how to search, you can search in Google. Okay. Or ChatGPT. Many are there options. Now, here, after joining the company, not now. Okay. Before joining in a company, in an interview, you cannot search, no. Interview purpose, whatever required, you have to remember. After getting a job, if they give any task, the task purpose, you have to search in documentation. Which method required, you have to search. Which package required, you have to find out. Which class required, you have to find out. Then writing method program possible or not. That's it. These many days, whatever you learn, this purpose only. Once, if you know how to use Java library, any Java program you can write. Once, if you know how to use this Java library, any Java program you can write. That's it. Okay. Say, after joining in the company, if they give any task, which method required, you have to search. That method in which package, you have to search. That package, that class in which package, you have to search. Method, class, package, you have to search. Then import the package, create the object, call the method. That is only Java. After getting a job, you can use this documentation. But before getting a job, documentation searching, those are not possible. Some experience also required to use this library. That is, I'm going to explain. Now, next topic onward, this one only. These many days, one type. Now onwards, one type. Okay. Now, we are going to use Java library. See, finding maximum of numbers, finding maximum of two numbers. You will write small logic. If A greater than B, A is a bigger. Else, B is a bigger. That logic, no need to write. Already is there, no? Now, you are learning calculating factorial, square root, Armstrong number. These all after joining in a company not required. To get a job only required. Okay. After getting a job, those all not required. Only to improve logical skills required. For getting job required. After getting a job, suppose one task is, I want to send data Hyderabad to US. Can you write any logic? No, you have to use library. Okay. I want to connect my Java program to Oracle database. Can you write any logic? No, it is not a factorial program to write logic. Okay. Factorial program, strong number program, Armstrong number program. These all you can write. But that type of programs, can you write logic? No. Definitely everyone will use library. But library, how to use? That purpose only, object-oriented programming important. Now, which package required, which class required, which method required, you have to search in Java API documentation. For searching also some knowledge is required. That is based on experience comes. Starting, you will search in Google only. Later, you will search here only. Even if you search in Google also, it is redirected here only. It will be redirected to this documentation only. Okay. But after getting some experience, Google not required. Directly you can search here. This documentation required after getting a job. Present, which method required, I'll give. Which class required, I'll give. Which package required, I'll give. Just you have to write the program. Okay. After getting a job, compulsory you have to use Google. It is compulsory, otherwise not possible. Those who are working in a software company, you ask them whether they are using Google or not daily. Your relatives will be there, your friends will be there. Okay. Those are working in a software company, you ask them whether they are using Google or not. Every day they'll use Google. Okay. Otherwise not possible to work. Who will remember these all? Can you remember? Hundreds of packages are there, thousands of classes are there, lakhs of methods are there. Student cannot remember, faculty cannot remember, programmer cannot remember, James Gosling also cannot remember. James Gosling also a person only, no? So you have to open documentation, you have to search. It is compulsory. Okay. Say those who are working in a software company, every day they'll depend on Google. Okay. If Google is closed, all software companies also closed. That will be happen. Otherwise, not possible to implement. Okay. So now you got a knowledge how to use Java library. With that knowledge, any Java program you can write. That is, you are going to learn now application part. Now for that, how to use Java library purpose only, one topic, string handling. How to use Java library, that purpose only, one topic, string handling. String handling. Noodle. There are 4 string related classes. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings. First one, java.lang.string. Second one, java.lang.string buffer. Third one, java.lang.string builder. Fourth one, java.util.string tokenizer. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings. First one, java.lang.string. Second one, java.lang.string buffer. Third one, java.lang.string builder. Fourth one, java.util.string tokenizer. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings. Java.lang.string, java.lang.string buffer, java.lang.string builder, java.util.string tokenizer. Say this class in lang package, this class lang package, this class lang package, this class util package. Java is a main package, lang is a sub package. Java is a main package, util is a sub package. These are classes. These are classes, each word first letter capital. Yes, capital B, capital. Yes, capital T, capital. Okay. Now, in this topic, you are going to learn strings also. You are going to learn library also. With this knowledge, any library you can access. Not only 4, many classes are there. Important classes are given. Okay. String joiner also, string writer also, many are there. Day by day, they're updating Java library. Day by day, they're updating Java library. Okay. Now, how to use this class, say, string class if you open. In a java.lang package, string class. See, if I click string class, here, so many methods are there. See, still cursor is, scroll bar is there only. Almost 500 methods will be there. Okay, one class. But it is not possible to learn all. Only this class, if I explain, 1 week it will take. Again, 1 week means these 4 classes, 1 month. But in total Java library, 5,000 plus classes are there. Okay, each class 1 week means 25 years it will take. Okay, that much vast library is there. So how to use Java library you have to learn. Total library no need to learn. Okay, that is not possible. Years it will take. Years. Okay. Now, once if you know how to use, after getting a job, search, write. That's it. The way you are learning, the way, only way you are going to learn. Okay. Before going to this class, first about strings, something required, some information required. Next, write it. Strings. A string is a sequence of characters A string is a sequence of characters. A character can be alphabet, comma digit, comma special symbol, or white space character. Otherwise, just white space. A string is a sequence of characters. A character can be alphabet, digit, special symbol, or white space. So alphabets you can write, digits you can write, special symbols you can write, white space you can write. Here, examples. Say you can write welcome. You can write hello. You can write numbers also. You can write alphanumeric also. You can write underscore also, like special symbols also. You can write space also. Okay. Say alphabets you can write, numbers you can write, special symbols you can write, and white space you can write. Okay, like this you can write. All you can mix possible. Like this you can write. So alphabets also you can write. Alphabets also you can write. Special symbols also you can write. White space also you can write. These are strings. Next, string literal must be in double quotes. String literal must be in double quotes. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. How many categories of literals are there? 6. What are those? Integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals, Boolean literals, object literal. 6 categories of literals. Integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals, Boolean literals, object literal. Integer literals are nothing but numbers. Positive number, negative number, 0. Floating point literals, decimal points also. Character literals, one character in single quotes. String literal, one or many double quotes. Boolean literals, true, false. Object literal, null. Okay. But in 6 categories of literals, only string literal itself object. Now, if you write welcome, it is nothing but object. Welcome itself an object. But other literals are not objects. Object literal also not object. Null is not object. Null is normal literal only can call. But string literal also you can call, object also you can call. Now, for example, welcome is an object of string class. Welcome itself object. Welcome itself an object. Every string literal itself an object. Every string literal itself an object of string class. For example, welcome is an object of string class. For example, welcome is an object of string class. Now, here I have to explain some points. Listen with more concentration. Suppose string so already Java fundamentals completed long back. What is literal like? Java fundamental basics is studied, no data types, keywords, literals, identifiers. Now, here string S1 equal to welcome. All right. String S2 equal to new string hello. All right. You observe, don't write, listen with concentration. It is most important. Now, here in this line, what is string? String is a class name. What is S2? Object reference. What is new? Dynamic memory allocation operator. What is this string here? Class name, constructor. Okay. New constructor. Then object created. No? Now, you studied like this. Demo D equal to new demo. Like that, string S equal to new string. Like that you studied. But if you write like this also, this welcome itself object, this object referred by S1. It is allowed like this also, like this also. But there is a difference. What's the difference? I have to explain. If you write like this also, like this also, both are different, not same. Both are different. Say string S1 equal to welcome. If you write, it is not same. Not same. What is int? Data type. What is X? Variable. What is 10? Literal. Okay. What is string? Class. What is S1? Object reference. What is welcome? Object. You can call it a literal also. Okay. Now, this one, can I call data type? Yes or no? String is a class. Class is a data type. Object reference, can I call variable? Yes. It is primitive type variable or reference type variable? Reference type variable. Okay. Now, this int, can I call class? No. It is data type only. This X, can I call object reference? No. This 10, can I call object? No. What is int? Data type. What is X? Variable. What is 10? Literal. That's it. Okay. What is string? Class. S1, object reference. Welcome, object. Can I call data type? Yes. Can I call variable? Can I call literal? Yes. You can call like this also, like that also. Both are valid. Now, string is a primitive data type or reference data type? Reference data type. Int is a primitive data type or reference data type? Primitive data type. Here, S1 is a primitive type variable or reference type variable? reference type variable. X is a primitive type variable. You already studied primitive type variable, what it contains, reference type variable, what it contains. Primitive type variable contains data. Reference type variable, hash code. So what X contains? Data, nothing but 10. What S1 contains? Hash code, not welcome. Got your mind? Now, if I print X, what is output? 10. If I print S1, welcome comes. That is only confusion. Okay. If I print welcome comes, it contains hash code, it will print welcome. How? I'll explain. Somewhat special. Strings are somewhat special. Now, this is only how to concentrate. Otherwise, difficult to understand. Say, like this are written. No, if you write like this, you observe S1 contains hash code, but if you print welcome printed, S2 contains hash code. If you print hello printed, okay. Now, first of all, here internal diagram you observe. First, this statement creates one string object in a string constant pool. This statement creates one string object in a string constant pool. It is one memory block. It is one memory block. Say welcome itself object. Here welcome will be stored. It is nothing but string object. This object referred by S1. Okay, this object referred by S1. This is created in a string constant pool. This is one memory block, like a heap area. Inside the heap area, one more memory block will be there. String constant pool. String constant pool. In this pool, one object created, that object referred by S1. What S1 contains? Hash code. Here hash code. Here S1 contains hash code. Okay. But if you write like this, what will happen? This statement creates two string objects. One object created in string constant pool and another object and one more object created outside the pool. Here two objects created. One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. See, if you write two objects, here one welcome object, here one more welcome object. Hello. This hello only placed here. It is string object. It is also string object. It is in a pool. String constant pool. This object reference referred by S2. S2. It will refer here hash code. So if you write like that, one object created. If you write like this, two object created. One object there, constant pool. Here, one object constant pool. One is outside the pool. This is most important. What purpose you will see. First, you write this one. I'll explain. It is the most important topic. So first statement creates only one object that is inside the pool. Second statement creates two objects. One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. Two objects created. So hello itself object, new constructor means one more object. New constructor means object created, no? That's what two objects here. Hello itself object, new constructor, one more object. Writing which one is better? First one. It will occupy less one memory, one object only. That facility given only for string class and wrapper classes. The next topic also. So string class, wrapper classes only that facility is there. Other classes not possible. Other classes compulsory new constructor you have to write. Only string class possible, wrapper classes possible. Wrapper classes, 8 classes are there. 8 plus 1, 9 classes possible like this. Remaining classes compulsory new constructor only object. every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. That's what in this line object is created. But here, hello itself object, new constructor, one more object. That's why two objects created here. Hello itself object, new constructor, one more object. Two objects created. Is it over? Now, string S1 equal to welcome if you write. Welcome itself object, it is created in string constant pool. Pool outside the pool also one concept is there. I would explain. If you write like this, one is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. Like that created. Two objects created. Okay. Now, is it over? Next, write it. In string constant pool, in string constant pool, duplicates are not created. In string constant pool, duplicates are not created. In string constant pool, duplicates are not created. Suppose string S1 equal to welcome. Don't write. String S2 equal to welcome. String S3 equal to welcome. If I write, total how many objects created? How many objects? One object or three objects? One object. Because if you write like this, object where it is created, string constant pool, it is created. One more if you write like this, it is duplicate, no? It won't create one more. That object only referred by S2. If you write like this, again it won't create one more. That object only referred by S3. Now, S1, S2, S3, same hash code will be there. One object created, three references created. Okay. Suppose if you write string S1 equal to new string welcome. How many objects created? How many? One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. If I write like this, how many objects created? In first line, how many objects? Two. One is inside the pool, one is outside the pool. Second one created. That is outside the pool. What inside the pool? Same. That is only. If I write string S3 equal to new string welcome. Again, how many created? One only created. Inside the pool not created. Duplicate not allowed. Okay. This is required. Just remember. Okay. These points, whatever I given diagram, it is required. Remember, while teaching library of this class, you'll understand. But before that, one more concept required. Now, one more concept. You observe. Now, string S equal to new string. Okay. System dot out dot println S. Demo D equal to new demo. System dot out dot println D. Here, what S contains? Hash code. What D contains? Here, what is the output comes? Here hash code printed, no? But here hash code not printed. See, file, save. You'll get a blank space. See, program successfully compiled, successfully executed. Now, one space we got it, no blank space. That is string, empty string. But D, class name printed, its symbol printed, hash code in hexadecimal format printed, alphanumeric, hexadecimal. If you print this one, D refers which object? Demo object. That's what that class name printed. At hash code in hexadecimal format. But you are not getting here hash code. You are getting blank space. Okay. Why? Now this one don't write. First you have tried this one. Java.lang is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Java.lang is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. In every Java program. Java.lang.object class is a default class and it is implicitly inherited in every Java class. Java.lang.object class is a default class and it is implicitly inherited in every Java class. ToString method is a default method and it is implicitly called whenever an object or object reference is passed as a parameter to a method. ToString method is a default method and it is implicitly called whenever an object or object reference is passed as a parameter to a method. So one default package is there, one default class is there, one default method is there. See, what are the 3 points I would explain? 3 points you observe. Java.lang is a default package. It is default. And it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Every Java program, import java.lang.star is there. Suppose myself, if I write import java.lang.star semicolon, any effect will be there? No. It is imported. Even if you write also, nothing will happen. Whether you write or not, it will come. Okay. So java.lang is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. In this program, import java.lang.star. It is no need to write. Implicitly is there. Okay. Java.lang.object. Class name is object. Class name is object. It is library class. Class is a default class and it is implicitly inherited in every Java class. That means here extends object. It doesn't appears. It is there. For you doesn't appears. It is there. If I write, any effect will be there? No. Whether you write or not, that will come implicitly. Okay. ToString method is a default method and it is implicitly called whenever an object or object reference is passed as a parameter to a method. Here, what is S? Object reference. What is println? Method. Whenever an object or object reference is passed as a parameter to a method. What is S? What is println? Object reference passed as a parameter to this method. No. Then implicitly what will be called? ToString. Okay. It is difficult to understand. Listen with more concentration. What is D? Object reference. What is println? Object reference passed as a parameter to println method. Then implicitly dot ToString. Okay. Now this is implicitly. This is implicitly. This is implicitly. This is implicitly. Now file, save. Now again I'll compile. You observe compilation, execution. Are you getting any difference? Whether you write or not, that is there. That is there. Okay. Now here, first of all, you write this one, this code, write it. One package imported implicitly, one class inherited implicitly, method implicitly called. So further, every Java program, that package will be there. Every Java class, that extents will be there. If you pass object or object reference ToString, Is it over? So on package implicitly imported, one class implicitly inherited, dot to string method implicitly called. These all implicitly present in this program. Now, here, yes, S is a which class reference? String class. D is a which class reference? Now, S dot to string. S dot to string. Then string class to string method called. But in string class to string is there or not? You can see in Java library. Here. See, it is. It is there, no? This here. Here, string class to string method called. Okay. Here it is which class reference? Here which class to string called? How it will call? Other class object you can call with this one. Now it is reference of which class? Then to string method, string class method. Can you call with a demo reference? No. Now D dot to string. It will search in demo class. In demo class to string method is there. But how it is working? Error also not came, no? Suppose here, if I call D dot show, will it compile? Will it compile? Error comes. But you are not getting error, no? First, D is a reference of which class? In demo class, any toString method is there? If not there, where it will search? Superclass. Superclass method with subclass reference, can you access or not? Now, here, object class toString. In object class also toString is there. See, object class, I'll open. Object. In the object class. See, it is toString. This toString method called. That means here, which class toString called? Which class? String class. Here, which class toString called? That's what output different. Here, you are getting blank space. You are getting hash code. Reason, this toString method not same. It is which class toString? String class. Here. Now, here. Object is superclass for every class. String also derived from object class only. Here toString is there. This toString overridden here. Then which class toString method called here? String class. Okay. Now object class inherited in demo class. Here object class inherited in demo class. Here toString is there. Is there any toString in demo class? Then which class toString called? So here this string class toString called. Here object class toString called. First you write this one. So in this line, which class to string called? String class. In this line, which class to string? Object class. So that's what year and year output not same. You are getting different. Is it over? Yeah, half an hour required still, not completed. I'll explain. Still half an hour required, not completed. Now, you write this one. Tomorrow I'll continue, not completed, half an hour required. Still half an hour required to understand. Just write this point. String class to string method returns content of string object. Whereas object class to string method returns returns hash code. Just write this point. Still half an hour required to explain this one, not completed. Then you will get 100% clarity. Still half an hour required. Those who didn't understand, with the tomorrow diagrams, I'll explain. Not completed. No need to worry. Those who didn't understand, you will understand tomorrow. Still half an hour required. String class to string method returns content of string object, whereas object class to string method returns hash code. String class to string method returns content of object. In that object, nothing is there. That's what nothing output. Okay. Here object class to string hash code. So that definition, this definition not same, overridden. Okay. Runtime polymorphism. That is tomorrow I'll explain. Not completed. Still half an hour takes. I'll explain tomorrow. Those who didn't understand, no need to worry. Tomorrow I'll explain. We'll see continuation tomorrow.